Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning into our show. As always, I'm your host, Harry Juillerat. Today I'll be discussing the supply chain management of car tires, the corresponding information systems that the companies use, and analyze what issues the industry is currently facing and any potential preceding threats within the next decade. The accelerated rate of demand for car tires, along with the disruptive fluctuations in the automotive industry, have led to a mass competitive business requiring tire companies to establish their own subversive logistic supply chains in order to remain flexible. However, the majority of companies follow a basic set plan to maximize their own output efficiency. Firstly, the development of global or domestic logistic networks that also supports repairs and replacements is required, along with the establishment of aggregate demand levels. The primary materials needed to manufacture tires are synthetic natural rubbers, fabric, and wire. So synthetic rubber is made in chemical plants, while natural rubber is processed through trees. These materials are transported to various overseas supply manufacturing factories. Generally, materials are shipped overseas in freight cargo containers and then transported inland by trucks or trains. Barcodes and minimal packaging materials are required for tires due to the nature of the tire, providing an easy means to transport it. The final tire products are either transported to retail stores or shipped to another supply factory to be attached to a designated vehicle. Typically, the most prevalent tire and automotive companies establish a subcontract relationship with CEVA, a global supply chain specializing in logistics solutions and freight management. CEVA also supplies a reverse logistics system to maximize atomization within this complex process. The supply chain of reverse logistics has the damaged tire shipped to a manufacturing plant for repairs and refurnishings. But if unsuccessful, then it is sent to a centralized return point to either be converted to energy, recycled, incinerated, or composed to landfill. The primary information system types implemented by major tire companies are arguably office automation and transaction processing systems. The use of office automation in the tire industry are to process organizational and personal information. Moreover, this system is also used for calculating product quantities, and deciding which tire designs take precedence over manufacturing and delivering. However, critical use of the transaction process is to extensively process, assemble, manage, and even cancel transactions. This is especially prevalent for tire companies that specialize in online sales. The collected transactions are then stored in databases and compiled to accurately report on operation expenses, revenue earned, stock keeping units, scheduling, and a variety of other data assortments. Supply chain management for tire companies have experienced added complexity due to recent volatility in the market of demand and supply. This change is partly caused by pressures to reduce costs, shorten delivery schedules, and is perpetuated by poor forecasting mechanisms. Also, the automobile sections of the industry have become highly separated due to tires with enhanced performance abilities, varied weights, heights, prices, you name it. Demand for more variability is projected to further increase globally, forcing companies to increase stock keeping units despite the difficulty managing such supply chains. Other notable problems with the car tire industry is the disposal of unused, unrepairable tire products. Generally, 3 billion tires are discarded every year, causing unstable landfills and mass wastage. More nations have become more aggressive in implementing methods of recycling for road fill or conversion into energy. However, only an approximate 5% of all discarded tires in Australia are recycled. If this is not improved upon within the next decade, severe environmental issues may arise. Well, on that happy note, that's all the time I have for today. Make sure you tune in next week for the next show, and have a good night.